My name is Sawyer Votava. I am the electrical specialist for the hand sanitizer project. I create the electrical schematic and I assemble the electrical panel. The reason why this project is so important is because due to the COVID-19 pandemic, people are always wanting a desire to stay healthy. So this machine was created for that purpose.
Hi, my name is Ian Hubbard, and I am participating in the hand sanitizer dispensing group for our final project. I was in charge of the mechanical side of everything, which included designing everything on SolidWorks, make sure that everything fit, as well as metal fabrication, and just basically the whole mechanical side, making sure everything works. We decided to build this project pretty much just because of the COVID-19 pandemic and how it's all affected us, and we thought this would be a good project to go for.
Hi, my name is Clayton Cressman. I am the pneumatic specialist for the hand sanitizer project. I provided the design, sizing, and selecting of the pneumatic components, such as the air cylinder and the valves. The problem this project solves is a touch-free solution to hand sanitizing dispensing.
This is the schematic that we did for the electrical panel on the back of the machine. On the top of the side is for the pneumatics, and the middle and bottom sections are for the electrical. It's got the terminals, the PLC, the emergency stop, and the operator interface, which we'll get to in a moment. And this is the schematic for the electrical, which is on the far right side of the schematic. It shows all the components where each of them are wired, the solenoids, the photo eyes, the emitters, the e-stop to terminate the power whenever it is pressed, and a fuse protection in case anything goes wrong. Here's a more brief demonstration on the electrical panel. The e-stop is what causes the PLC to stop running, and when I release it through this turning mechanism, it will make the contact flow again. The PLC is what causes our program to start, and then our fuse protection is what prevents the circuit from overflowing or blowing up.
This is the calculations and formulas for the sizing and selection of the cylinders, as well as formulas. If you're just curious, you want to do it yourself, this is a table that I've made in Excel that auto-calculates all those out. And this is the entire pneumatics drawing.
Okay, so right now we're currently in automatic mode. And basically automatic mode is where I put my hand between the sensor and it'll break the photo eye. And then what it does, it sends a signal to the cylinder will extend. There's a spring right here if you come in here. There's a spring right here on this dispensing tip. It just pushes this whole thing down and it'll dispense hand sanitizer. So let me demonstrate. Now I got a handful of hand sanitizer. Now my hands are clean.
Alright, so right now we're in automatic mode, which is determined by this selector switch. If we flip it to manual mode, how the hand sanitizer will now dispense using the push buttons instead of the photoelectric sensor. And right now, as I'm about to demonstrate, as soon as I push a push button, it will cause the sanitizer to dispense. Thank you for watching the demonstration of the hand sanitizer project.